Hi guys, this is Dr. Callahan. How are you doing? So this is actually our first day of official lessons. This is for Tuesday, even though we're kind of like a day behind, but that's completely okay. Now, every day you guys have 3 questions for warm up. You can write this anywhere in a notebook or on a separate piece of paper. When I do return, you guys will have the warm up log that will be passed out. So for the time being, just please be patient. So here in the start of the day with 3 different questions. The first one is, what is your grade last year in math? And the second one is, what do you think the purpose of a warm-up log is? Why do you think teachers use this warm-up log before a lesson? And how many warm-up log do you think there is? Where do you write it? You will do this every day just to be consistent, 3 questions a day. And the last one is, what does this quote mean to you? Control your own destiny or someone else will. So take a moment and answer those 3 questions. Okay, so let's go over the answers. So essentially, I do a warm-up log every day is basically to get students prepared for lessons and to get their thinking cap on and be prepared for the day. Um, why do I do it? Well, it's essentially kind of like a icebreaker to get your mind started. How many different warm-up questions are there? Well, you're going to have 3 questions a day, so 5 days a week, unless it's a holiday. And so really that is about 15 questions per week. And I want to go ahead and modify that because there is a little typo on this. So give me 1 second while I fix this because it's bothering me. I see this and I'm like, no, I do not like that. Okay, so now we're going ahead and resume. Okay, let's see, come on, share, new share. Why? Okay, why is it doing this? Sorry, I'm having a little bit of a technical difficulty. Okay, here we go. What does this quote mean to you? Essentially, what it means to me is that you are the person in charge of your situation. Everyone encounters barriers and tribulations in the process of life. However, it's really up to you to control how it ends. So your matters, or excuse me, your attitude matters in the product or the end product of the process. So this is the breakdown of your warm-up. You will be receiving 100 points for participation, such as, are you asking questions in class? Are you participating with your classmates? You're not excessively tardy or absent because you can't really participate if you're not physically there. Excuse me. Preparation is 100 points. This is, are you prepared? When I walked into the classroom, do you have your warm-up log and also your packet out ready to go? And the last one is just your warm-up log. You get 100 points, 1 point apiece for the duration of the first 9 weeks because the warm-up log is due on week 9, Friday. So when I said this last time, you should have completed the About Me profile. You should have completed parts of the scavenger hunt for as well, at least as much as we can with social distancing. You should have completed your Venn diagram. Then you guys had questions you had to answer for your homework. And just hold on to that because I will be collecting this at the end. So for day 2 of class, this is kind of a breakdown of what we're going to be doing. First thing I want you to do is to go to this link. Keep in mind that capitalization does matter. So go onto this link and give me your email. I need your email so that way when I need to submit or send things for you guys, you do have, I will have that available to do it. There is a quizzes they're going to be working on as well that is going to be on a pre-calculus review. This is the guided note that you should have under week 1 Tuesday in your packets. This is important because this right here is all of the theorems that we're going to be talking about in this class. So it is important for you to go ahead and review it. This is a trick cheat sheet of your theorems that you've learned last year. The really important one here is the unit circle, because on the AP exam, you will be expected to memorize this. They will not be giving you any hints or cheat sheets for you to utilize on the test itself. And if you need a little trick to memorize it, there's a tiny URL right there of a video to show you how to do that. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and take a little bit of time to explore the website that you'll be needing. Here are the, let me see if I can get rid of that screenshot. Can't seem to be getting rid of this bar on the bottom. That's okay. Um, on a separate piece of paper, I want you guys to write 1 through 7. I want you to answer these 7 questions as you're looking through the class website. So question 1 is, where can you find the warm-up blog? 2, where can you access today's lesson? 3, how many lessons are there per week? How can you use this website to your advantage? Give me 5 things. Are you able to find the site by just doing a simple Google search? Give it a try. And lastly, write a brief summary of your experience with the website. So what you do is you just Google search Dr. Natalia Callahan. It should be the first page that pop up. This is the first semester, so it is fall. So click on the fall semester right here on this link once you Google search it. And this should be the website that you guys see in front of you. So for the remaining part of the class, you are welcome to go ahead and review some of the concepts we're going to be going over in class this year. Also, make sure you memorize your different theorems from trigonometry, especially the odd and even formulas, because we're going to get into this a little bit more next time, and also your unit circles. And that is basically it, you guys, for our second lesson. So get started and be productive. And I also said, like I said, I have a quizzes of your pre-calculus review that you simply go to, and that is basically it. Have a great day.